Guoqian Cable Tray Company was established in 2004. Company covers an area of 35,000 square meters. Company mainly focus on cable tray, busbar and cable tray accessories production and sales. Products type and size is rich. Product's performance is stable and reliable. We have our own large-scale hot dip zinc production line, using German technology to produce zinc pod and American company combustion device and control system, avant-garde equipment, strict management, efficient automated production, strict CE, ISO 9000, CCC and national standard certification requirements. Keep our production capacity in line with the international level. If you have demands of cable tray products, welcome contact us for cooperation. Mobile +8613780837561.